What's going on, guys? It's your boy Scooter from Scooter Airsoft Channel. So again, thank you for watching this, and welcome to the channel. For those of y'all don't hadn't subscribed to me yet, please hit the like and subscribe button to get more updates on videos that I've posted. So let's jump right in. So every year, I challenge myself with a project every year. Last year, I built my TM High Kappa, as y'all seen in some previous videos, or even some shorts of it. I'm not 100% sure, but I know I've made 2 videos and posted them last year. So this year, I'm challenging myself in building a gaming computer. So I do have a few little things for it right now. I don't have everything yet, but this is just a little update on what I do have. So let's jump in. So first, sorry that I have to use my front camera because I can't get my back camera to switch around. But again, I got the cat right here. Get out of the way, kitty cat. We'll play later. So first part that I bought was my motherboard. So this is the Gigabyte RSB 550M Elite. So it is a micro ATX, which I'm with. Some people said go Intel. I decided to go AMD. So it is. Let me pull it out of the box for you guys real quick. It's kind of a challenge trying to do this with one hand. So I'm going to sit you guys down real quick. Get it out of the plastic. Oh God. You know what? I'm going to get it out of the way. So. Okay. I'm sorry that y'all fell into my lap. I've been working nights in the cold, so this is what this looks like. It's got 4 DIMM slots for my 4 sticks of RAM, PCI E 4.0 for my graphics card whenever I get one. It's got 2 NVMe slots for my memory. So 1 NVMe here, 1 right here, to support this guy, which is the King Spec M.2 NVMe 1TB memory slot stick. Let me pull this out for you guys real quick, if I can get it out of the package. It's kind of a pain in the butt, so just bear with me, guys. Okay, there we go. So I got it out. So this is a 1TB memory stick for M.2 NVMe, which is, like I said, it is a King Spec, which I don't know nothing about them. I heard they're okay. So that covers my motherboard and my memory, which now I go on down to this bad boy, which was the second thing I bought. The AMD Ryzen 7 5700G, which G meaning it's got an integrated graphics card into it, which I'm not going to pull this out because I don't want to destroy it. So that's what that looks like. Let me get a better picture shot of it. So it is the Ryzen 7 5700G with the graphics card, which this comes with. It does come with the cooler with it. Which, moving on down to this, which is my RAM sticks, which is the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro, which is 3600 megahertz and 32 gigabytes, which I can't wait. Hang on a second, I'll pull these out of the package for you guys too, so you can get a good look at what I got. So that's what they look like. which with this build, I'm super excited to get this done. Which is, let's see, that's the CPU was my second purchase. It was my second purchase, and my motherboard was the first purchase. Actually, no, the RAM was my second purchase. No, the RAM was the first purchase that I bought. Then the motherboard was the second. The CPU was the third purchase. The memory stick was the fourth purchase, and which leads me into the last purchase that I bought for this build, which is my fans, which are the Sama fans, which they are RGB and they're daisy chainable, so I can snap them together, make one big link out of it, so I can minimize the wires that I have to use. Which I bought not just 3, I bought 6, because the case I'm gonna hopefully when I buy my case, it's gonna be a smaller micro ATX case where I can just put it all together, stick it in the case, and I can utilize all my utilize all 6 of them the way I can. But that's everything I've bought so far for this build. I got a lot more to go, which buying a case, a graphics card, and my power supply that I need, which also with that I'm also going to buy the RGB hub where I can control all the RGB functions with my fans and all that good fun stuff. I'm going to get custom cabling. I'm going to buy another M.2 memory stick. I'm going to buy a 2 terabyte one and maybe a SATA drive for that too, so I can have all the memory in the world that I need, especially with the games I'm probably gonna play. But as far as that goes, that's kind of an update for a project that I'm starting this year, just to give myself a little challenge. A lot more money to spend on it, but that's just where I'm at right now with this. So hopefully when I get everything bought for this, I'm going to do a little video on me putting this together. But yeah, hopefully to have some fun with it when I get it together. Hopefully when I get it together, I have some plans in the future to start maybe doing some stuff with Twitch, doing some gaming on some Twitch and streaming there, hopefully when I get everything together and working. Which also, when I get this put together, I'm going to have to buy Windows, and I'm probably going to have to do a BIOS update on this motherboard so I can run my CPU. Hopefully I don't have to, but if I have to, I can go on the Gigabyte website and download that, get that for free, to where I can do the BIOS update on this. But if I can't figure out how to do it, I'll have a buddy of mine do it for me if I have to, and get it working. But that's gonna do it for me today. And again, please like, comment, subscribe on this video, and hopefully I can do some more videos, get a few more videos up. Like I said, I do have a few I've still got to get completed and updated and edited. But other than that, that's gonna do it for me today. And as always, I'm Skaterific from Skaterific Airsoft channel, and I'll see you out there. Peace.